These are our chickens, and they have been doing an excellent job at laying eggs. Actually, they have been laying too many eggs. So many eggs, I need to build a sign so that I could try and sell them. This is just some old fence pickets that I'm using some homemade stencils to stencil the word eggs onto it. I then used my router to route out the inside of each letter. I got some black paint that I've thinned with some mineral spirits. I'm going to be using that to make the letters black. Alright, now I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to give it a light sanding. Okay, I went ahead and sanded down the back because I'm going to glue these two together. I don't know why I didn't just make one that said eggs on both sides. Kind of wanted it a little bit thicker. I was originally going to sandwich a wooden stake in between it, but now I think I'm going to glue them together, drill a hole, and then so I could bang 1/4-inch rebar into the ground and I could set it on there. That's kind of what I'm thinking. It'll be easier, and then I don't have to bang on a wooden stake. So what I'm going to do is drill a hole that far into this thing, about halfway through. That'll allow the rebar to slide into it. I'm going to pound the rebar into the ground and then set it on top. I cut my rebar using the grinder, and then I put a point on one end so that it's easier to pound into the ground. Thanks for watching.